Hi, today we'll see like how to get the detailed results in FEMFAT. If suppose I solve the problem and I want to uh, get the detailed results of each and every node, uh, the Haigh diagram of each and every node after my analysis, or the SN curve of each and every node of the after the analysis, then how to do it. By default, the FEMFAT will display at the critical node only. Uh, so I have loaded one INP file here as for the file format to get the groups etc. And in the group I have selected all. This is just for display purpose. And in stresses I have selected upper lower. Two files are there. And in material data I just put some random material. This is anyways steel of 320 MPa, ultimate tensile strength of 320 MPa. And then loads other things are as already discussed in my previous video. And then if I press here, the analysis parameter, I have selected the all the nodes, means absolute stress 0 Newton mm square I have put. So whatever above this gets analyzed. So in the output I have put hypermesh results, that is anyway optional for this analysis. And then I just put all and then I will click on analyze. Okay, so my analysis is done, results are there, and you see the critical node is 307, that is the max damage node, means I will be expecting the minimum life here. So if you go to the Haigh diagram, only the most critical node is 307 I can see. This is the Haigh diagram of material, and this is the updated Haigh diagram for this node. So how to get for any other node? If I want to query for 308 or some other node in my model, I'm more interested towards that node. Then how to do it? So in FEMFAT, you go back to groups here, and there is something called a detailed results. So if you click on it, it will basically analyze all the nodes. Means it will basically draw the Haigh diagram for all the nodes. So it will store this data also. So I'm just clicking on detailed results. It will increase my analysis time, but uh, for uh, uh, proper, what can I say, for proper tracing of each and every node of Haigh diagram, I will use this. So my analysis is done. Results will be same as it is. There will be no change in the results. Makes you you need to make a note. There will be no change of by using that option in the results. The only change you will get is you will get some additional outputs, like in Haigh diagram now. Uh, with 307 node number, which is our critical node number, there are all other node numbers will be there. Suppose node number 1, if I click on node number 2, then this Haigh diagram will get changed based on the nodal stresses. So if the node is 200, this is my Haigh diagram, and if the node is suppose 301, this is my Haigh diagram. So this way you can get the Haigh diagram of each and every node, and you can understand what's going on and uh, how to give some design suggestions on the basis of this. Uh, Thank you. Have a great day.